How to check copyright claims on YouTube videos in mobile. So if you want to check that if your videos have copyright claims on YouTube, then first you need to simply open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'll be here with Chrome browser. Once you open your browser, now you can go for the search and search for studio.youtube.com. Once you've searched here, you will have your studio.youtube.com, or go for the YouTube Studio, which is on the first search. And here it will take you to your YouTube Studio, right? So you can simply go for the upper right and go for your profile and make sure to log into your account in which you would like to check the copyright claims. Once you've choose your account, once you've logged into your account, now here on the left side, you will have a bunch of options, right? So you can simply go for the second option, which is your channel content. And once you've gone for the content, now here on the upper left you will have filter option right here. So tap on filter, and under filter here you will have copyright option. So tap on the copyright and it will take you to your copyright section. So here if you have any copyright claims, then you will have the videos here. So for now I don't have any copyright claim videos, so my page is empty. But if you have any copyright claims, then you will have all of your videos here under the copyright section. So that's how you can check your copyright claims on YouTube videos in mobile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.